Okay guys, today in this video I'm going to show you actually when I create a new WordPress site, what are the things that I do, what are the plugins and themes that I install, and what are the other actions that I take. Okay, as you can see, the website name is atmakatha.xyz. So what does Atmakatha means? It's like self-biography or autobiography. It's going to be, the self-biography maybe of a tree, or maybe of a garden, maybe of a certain human, like a professional. The feelings, maybe it's going to be about a mother, how she feels about her children. So it could be about anything. It could be even about the river. Yeah. Anyway, so okay, as you can see, this is a new WordPress installation, and so I have only one. I should have only one post and only one page and only one comment. Okay, so first of all, I would like to go to the plugins section, and I'm going to install a few necessary plugins that I must. Okay, so to the left sidebar, I click on plugin, then I hover on add new. The very first plugin that I'm planning to install and activate on my WordPress site is Wordfence. It's a security plugin. I believe that security is the first thing anything or anyone could have. So I'm searching for Wordfence. I have clicked here. Okay. Now Wordfence, that's what it is. Like Bruce Lee once said, strength, is a beauty without which all other beauties are meaningless. So suppose you have a flower, a rose in your garden. It's beautiful, fine, but you also need to be strong enough to protect it from outsiders, okay, so that it does not get harmed. That's why I believe that protection and security is the first thing anyone or anything should have. First of all, I'm going to click install now. We'll try to cover this video within 10 minutes. We'll try to cover. I'm just going to install a few plugins. Then after that, I'm going to tell you which theme I prefer the most, and also maybe there may be a little bit of WordPress settings. That's what. Please tell us where Wordfence should send you security alerts for your website. Okay, no problem. I can expose my email ID if you like to know my email ID. It's a good chance for you. You can even contact me through this email ID. I'm not expert on video editing. That's why I guess I don't have that much time for video editing. That's why I'm revealing my email address to you. obakbalok@gmail.com. Okay, would you like also to join our WordPress security mailing list to receive WordPress security alerts? No, I guess it should be a no. And I have read and agreed to all the terms and conditions. Now I continue. So, no, I do not have a premium key. I like to click no thanks, because if I like to have a premium key. Okay, so this one, Akismet Anti-spam, I guess it's going to be quite useful. It automatically comes with WordPress, so I like to activate this. But the next plugin, which is hello, what Akismet says, Akismet eliminate spam from your site, set up your Akismet. Okay, I do not have problem to set up my Akismet account. And now select an Akismet subscription. Well, name your price, get personal spam protection for your monthly, yearly spam protection. I just like to click this one because I'm not actually in a position to spend any money for any WordPress plugin. I do not have a credit card. However, let me click this one, get personal. I guess even if I am unable to, sorry, I am not going to spend any money. I don't have a credit card, so I like to skip 0. That's what it is going to be, at least for now. Now I scroll down. I do not. I don't. Okay. First of all, my email address. Okay, as you know, it's simply. What is that? Should I install Akismet later? Okay, I guess I do not need to. Back DALOK this gmail.com. My first name is let's say Jakir, and my last name is Hossein. I do not have any personal site. I don't have ads on my site currently. I don't sell products on my site currently. I don't promote a business on my site at this moment, so I like continue with personal subscription. Okay. So it's not like that I'm going to see each and every plugin details, how to set them up. If I'm unable to set them for some reason, like as you can see, I'm clicking this over and over. What is going to be? Okay, let me simply copy this one, copy this site, and now I am pasting here. I'm going to delete these things. Within a short time, I'm going to promote this to www. I'm going to show you how to do that. Now I click it once again. Okay, this time it should work. Let's see whether it does. Pass the confirmation code. Okay, I can do this later. Okay, I do not need to do this at this very moment. So let me add a few more, what is that? Plugins. A few more plugins. That's what I'm going to install and activate on my fresh, brand new WordPress website. Okay, I like to use classic editor. This is, I like this editor a lot because I'm not used to the block editor. I mean the Gutenberg editor. I believe that's an alternative for classic editor. Previously, the editor was classic editor, but recently I'm not sure about, like 6 months ago or maybe 1 year, the Gutenberg or the block editor came into existence, and after that it has become quite difficult for many people like me. So as you can see, Akismet Anti-spam, it has been installed and activated, but there is still looking for some sort of confirmation code which they sent to my email address. I'm going to take care of that later, but now I actually want to get rid of this one, Holly Dolly. I am not sure what sort of, I know a little bit what it does, but I'm not interested in its service. Actually, I have not found that quite useful. Now I'm going to add even more plugins. Well, I guess the first 10 minutes is almost finished. So guys, again, yes, I will be back.